Now here's a picture of our beautiful bikes. I guess it's a video here. Here's my 230. Mine. Here's, I've got the meat flaps, 69 meat flaps, the Yamaha. What is this? DDR 110. Okay. And we got axles. 230. It's the same year, same model, same everything as mine. And yeah, that's our bikes. So, stay out of the camera. Stay out of the camera. See you later.
I watched the world float to the dark side of the moon. After all, I knew it had to be something to do with you. I really don't mind what happens now and then, as long as you'll be my friend at the end. If I go crazy, you still call me Superman. If I'm alive, well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side, with my superhuman, my kryptonite.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready.
Holy fuck. That's great. How was that? Give her shit right here to spin out. Is this in the water to be sweet? Alright, stop, 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 stop!